Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're here for the first time, then welcome. My name is Sam Day and I help small businesses with their marketing. And in today's video, I wanted to answer a common question I get, which is how to make sales for your small business without a website. And actually, I'm a huge advocate of this. Like, I don't believe you should be creating your website if you haven't proven the business model yet, if you haven't generated your first few customers yet. A website can seem great and it can seem very productive, but actually you can generate sales without a website. And there's so many businesses that have websites that they look pretty, but don't generate any money for them. So I actually recommend building what is known in marketing as landing pages. So this is just a one page rather than an entire website. It's literally just one page that speaks about what your product or your service is and gets people to buy. A website can be very confusing. You know, if someone lands on your website, they get distracted by all of the different pages and all of the different things going on that website. And actually the chances of them buying is actually pretty slim. And that doesn't mean that a website can't be important and that you shouldn't build a website at some point. But for your first few customers, your first $1,000 or your first even $10,000, you probably don't need a website. All you need is a one pager. So you can use a platform like Leadpages. I personally use Leadpages. There are other platforms out there and I'll review some of them on this channel at some point. But Leadpages is what I personally use, and it's what I recommend my consulting clients to use as well, because it's just so easy, it's simple to use, and you can actually use it to build a website out at some point as well. But they actually have high converting landing pages that you can choose from. So if it's a service that you're selling, then you can go to Leadpages, you can type in services or the services that you offer, and you can see some already pre-built templates that you can utilize to then go ahead and make it your own. The same with products. If you're selling a product, then you can type in the type of product you're selling or just type in product page and you will see some examples of all of the pre-made templates that you can just go in and you can edit. Like, it's a really simple drag and drop builder that you can, easily change the text and change images and whatever it might be that you need to change, but the skeleton of the landing page is there. So what do you need to know about creating an effective landing page to help you generate your first few customers? Whenever I'm building a landing page for a product or a service that I'm trying to offer or for one of my clients, I always try to think about, okay, number one, what does my product or my service do? And make sure that that is clear on the landing page. Number two, I often think about what objections might a potential customer have before purchasing my product and see if I can answer those objections on the landing page. So if your price is a little bit high and you know that maybe you're one of the highest priced in your industry, then you can address that on your landing page as well. So once you have your landing page built, you then want to go ahead and promote that landing page and see if you can drive customers to it. And if you can successfully drive customers to it, then you can go and turn that idea into a full-fledged website. If you do have a budget for paid ads, usually Meta ads is a really good choice. So Meta is a combination of Facebook and Instagram, so you can create an advert that gets seen across Instagram and on Facebook. And Meta actually allow you to promote a single landing page. So you can go ahead and start advertising with just that one page, drive people to it, and start generating sales. If you don't have a budget, then you can use Facebook groups. I've done a video on this channel about utilizing Facebook groups and how effective it can be. If you find Facebook groups where you know your target customers hang out, so there are Facebook groups for almost every niche you can think of. You want to join some of these if you don't have a budget to market using ads. And what you can do is find some that allow you to promote your links. And you can promote your links within those Facebook groups and see how people respond to it, and hopefully you get some customers. Also, if you have a following on social media, whether that be a YouTube channel, an Instagram page, a Facebook group, or a LinkedIn account that has, your target audience following you there, then you can just leave a link to your landing page that you've created and see if you can drive some of your audience or some of your followers there. And I'm going to be speaking a little bit more about email marketing, but if you already have an email list with your target customers on it, then send them a link to your landing page and see how people respond. So just by utilizing some of these simple marketing methods, you could drive your first £1,000 worth of customers to your landing page and then reinvest that money to go and get a website built for you. And if you want to be really savvy with it, what you can do is create a couple of different landing pages that have slight variations. So you never really know how well your landing page is going to convince people to buy your product or your service. Sometimes one landing page might perform better than another, and the only way to do that is maybe to create two and send 50% of people to one landing page and 50% of people to another landing page, and then you can test and see which landing page performs best for you. I'll leave a link in the description down below to where you can check out Leadpages if you want to go ahead and test this for yourself and create your own landing page. They do give you a period where you can actually register and sign up for free, so make sure you make use of that free period as well to go ahead and play about with it. But if you want any help with building your landing page or with your marketing in general, make sure you reach out to me. I'll leave details in my description down below. And if you are enjoying these videos, please make sure you smash that like button, because it enables me to create even more content that would hopefully help you guys out. But until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.